Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies for beginners. First, let's gather all our ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup each of granulated and packed brown sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget about 12 ounces of delicious chocolate chips. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. It's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your delicious cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, making sure to space them about 2 inches apart. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for 9 to 11 minutes, or until their edges are beautifully golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 2 minutes before moving them. Your amazing chocolate chip cookies are almost ready. Transfer them from the baking sheet to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. Once cooled, store your delicious creations in an airtight container to keep them fresh for 3 to 5 days. They're perfect with a glass of milk. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.